Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do a proper beard trim. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create our guideline. The way I like to create my guideline is I like to do it right below the earlobe. As you can see, I'm going to draw a straight line for you guys. I like to make it from there and then start the fade from that point on. So the second step, we're going to grab our shavers and we're going to take it down to the skin. Just flicking away at it. Now, for our second guideline, we're going to grab our number 1 guard, keep it closed, and go down about 1 inch. Now, to fade out that line right there, we're going to take the guard off, open the lever up, so it's going to be a 0.5, and we're just going to flick away at that line a little bit. Now to fully erase the line out, we're actually going to close the guard all the way. And just in that, half a centimeter area, I just want you to gently flick away. Use the corners of your clippers if you have to, but just gently work away at it until it fully disappears. Now with our number 2 guard, we're going to go down another inch. And one thing I want to point out here is this cowlick. A lot of people have it, including myself. And the easiest way to fade this out is with your clipper, go in all different directions. Go up, down, left, right. That's the best way to get rid of it. As you can see here with my number 1 guard, I'm going to go in all different directions and slowly you're going to see it fully fade out. A lot of people make the mistake of just, going the one direction. That's not how it works. You got to go with the swirl. Now with our number 3 guard, we're just going to fade the rest of that beard into the bottom area, into the chin. Sorry, my client was just laughing there. We're just going to fade the rest of that beard into the chin. Now with our number 1 guard, for the mustache, we're going to go down with the grain. What this does is it takes out the bulk, takes out the stray hairs, while still keeping the mustache relatively thick looking. I do it on myself, I do it on my clients. And if you're doing it on yourself at home, just make sure you stretch out your upper lip so that way there's enough room for the clipper to go over it. Now, right after you do that, just grab your trimmers and we're gonna start the outlines. As you can see here, I'm not going too deep in. I'm trying to go with the natural growth of his beard and just gently making lines. I'm going to comb out the neckline area and do the same, starting from the Adam's apple, going to the corner of his jaw. Well, with the comb, I like to just grab that little extra hair that's curled up and just get rid of that. Now, we're going to line up the lip line. And the top of the mustache. Now with one finger stretching the skin, we're going to go down with the straight blade. And like I said before, I try to just keep the line relatively natural. I don't like to go too deep in because then when it grows back, it's going to look weird, in my opinion. Now to shave his neckline, I'm just going to put a warm towel there just to prep the skin. And after I do that, I'm going to put on some shaving gel. This is going to help with the irritation so he doesn't get razor burn. Now my client's hair grows upward, so I'm just going to go with the grain up to that neckline right there, creating that sharp, defined line. Getting all that there. Now I'm going to wipe off that excess shaving gel. And there you have it.